Okay, I told you I was gonna show you how to make the tools to pick a lock. So here's what you should go get: a safety pin and a paper clip. And I'm gonna start with the tension wrench. I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, you unfold it just 2 times. So it's like this, just, yeah. And then you can just straighten out the little pins with the thingy, just like that. And then you kind of like fold it over, so it looks like a weird lopsided crap. Then you take pliers, and then you just pinch down the circle part. So it looks like this so far. And then you just lift this up and then fold it again. Hold on. So tension wrench looks like this so far. And then you just fold it into an L shape. And then it just, here's a lock. And then you just fit the tension wrench into the bottom right there. And then you can just fold it over a little bit, so it's like that. And then when you lockpick, you just apply a little bit of pressure, and then that acts as a tension wrench. And then I'm gonna make the pick. You take a safety pin, you fold it. You open it until it looks like an L, and then take pliers and just bend the end until it looks like a little hook, like this. And then I'm gonna show you I can lockpick with these tools that I just made. I didn't modify the lock or anything. It's just an ordinary master lock. It's unlocked. It's locked. So here it is. And there you go. Here's your tools.